Okay, this is the second half of 10.2. It's going to be questions 11 through 18. First, it says the area of the parallelogram is 207 square inches. Its height is 9. Find its length for GH. So basically, if you have the area and you have one side, you just divide by the other side. So 207 divided by 9 is 23. So the length of the line segment is 23. Same idea here. We have an area of 112 and it's got 16 for the height. So you divide the area by the height and that'll give you the one, it'll give you the side. Actually, it'll give you the height this time, sorry. So the answer was 7. Think. Number 13, the area of a trapezoid is 108 square centimeters. Find its height. Same idea here, except for the fact that they have a lot more work. Fill in as much as you can. So we know that the area is going to be 10. We know that the area is going to be 108, and we know that we're going to have to add 10 plus 17, and we know that we're going to do 1/2 the height. So the 1/2 is the only thing that we don't really know about. So I would put these together and I get 27. I also know that the opposite of multiplying by 1/2 is multiplying by 2. So I would times 108, which is the overall area, by 2, then divide by 27, and it's going to give you the overall height of that trapezoid. Again, 108, and then because you normally multiply by 1/2, you're going to do the opposite. So you times it by 2, then divide by the sum of your bases, and that'll give you the height. The area of a trapezoid is 375 square feet. Find the height. Same thing. Multiply the area by 2. Divide by the sum of the bases, and that'll give you the height of 15. This one, you're going to have to plot them out. It says 3 out of 4 quadrants. Coordinates of the vertices of the parallelogram are 0, 3, -3, -2, 5, 3. Plot the coordinates, and then find the coordinates of C. So after you plotted out A, B, and C, the most logical one is going to be C right here. And then you also know that it's a parallelogram, so AD, BC have to be equal. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move 5 to the right of B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then come straight up. So that's going to be your C. Then find the area of the parallelogram. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah, my bad. 5 by 5. You multiply them together, you get 25 square centimeters. Same idea here. It says plot these, and then find the area of the trapezoid. If you plotted it correctly, you got that. And then you need to fill it in. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is one side by 3. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Times 5 is going to be 60. Divided, or times 1/2 is going to be 30 square units. The area of a trapezoid is 136 square miles. Its height is 8. Find the length of JN. So this one's a little more difficult. We have JN plus 20 times 8. So what they did here was they took half of 8, and that's 4. So 4 times a number plus 20 is going to be 136. They then took 136 and divided it by 4, because we're doing the opposite, and minus 20 from it, and you get 14 miles. Exact same thing here. It says, trapezoid ABC is made up of a triangle ABC and ADC. Find the area of the trapezoid. ABCD is 312. Find the area of the triangle. Well, basically, they want you to find the height first of all. So you do the same thing we did over here. 1/2 of the height times 20 plus 28. All right. Equals 312. You know that you're going to be multiplying by 2, dividing by 48, and you get 13 yards. Then the last one, it basically says the area of ABC. So ABC is 312, or excuse me, the area of the trapezoid is 312. Find the area of ABC. Well, we know that ABC is part of ABCD. So from there, we'd have to figure out what's left over. I would probably just take, hold on. Okay, I see my mistake. You would have to take 20, times it by 13, because that's going to be your new height. You get 260 divided by 2 is 130. All right, sorry it took me so long to get that one, guys. Hope this helps. Have a good one. Bye.